Okay, but can we just talk about the fact that I'm literally sitting on the floor in our living room because this is the only white wall space we have in this house? James Charles is shook. Hey mom and random people on the internet watching this right now, it's Zizi. So today I'm actually doing something that in a million years I would have never thought I would do. And the thing I'm talking about is a makeup tutorial. I'm obviously not a makeup artist or moi. However, I thought it would be fun to actually film myself doing a full face for the first time in my entire life. I mean, at least trying to do a full face, because let's be real, this is gonna be a complete mess. But so am I, so that works perfectly. I honestly just use some mascara and a concealer on a day-to-day basis, so yeah, these are all very cheap items. But it's just for the sake of the video, so we're gonna have fun with it. Maybe we'll have fun. I don't know. Let's just get started, should we? Is this what they do? Or do they have such cool effects which I don't know how to use? Anyway, let's go. Now, looking at my face and also at what this video is going to be like, you probably won't believe what I'm about to say, but I actually enjoy makeup videos, so I think I kind of know what I'm doing, but we're gonna find out. I'm actually just gonna get my hair out of the face because, you know, I actually washed my hair yesterday and I don't feel like washing it again today just because I got makeup all over it. So, wow, don't I look sexy? No, God! We're gonna start with kind of foundation, but in my case BB cream. And normally you would put it on the back of your hand, right? So I'm gonna do that. I don't have a clue how much I will need of this, but we're gonna find out. I kind of consider using this, you know? Oh god, I stabbed my eye. Oh, I don't consider it anymore. What I learned from all of those videos, like from my lifelong experience of Manny Moore and James Charles and I don't know what all their names are, like Jeffree Star actually is kind of a sympathetic guy. I feel like blending is the key. So we're just gonna dab my face for as long as I'm in the mood for, which probably isn't that long, but you know. Oh my god, I'm gonna sound so funny in this video because when doing makeup you normally like pull your face in such weird motions. But I feel like I should really try to concentrate at least. Actually, to all the people that are shocked by now because I never did a full face even though I'm 19 and part of a society where makeup is kind of a must-have, let me tell you, I just am lazy as fuck, to be honest. So in all the years I went to school until last year, I only wore a bit of concealer and a bit of mascara because I was like, I'm gonna sleep till like 10 minutes before my bus leaves and I won't just wake up an hour early just to do this because I don't feel like I can sort out my face. And all the kids in my class know how ugly I am, so what's the point anyway? I think we just leave it there. I don't know if there's actually anything that changed about my skin. I feel like with BB cream you normally build it, like you normally put a few layers on. Is that right or is that wrong? I don't have a clue. Don't listen to me, kids. I feel like if I put more of the stuff on, it's gonna look really cakey. And we're not trying to cake our face like a pro because I'm not trying to come for Tanner's brand. Actually, I would like to try because I flippin' love Tanner Mojo. Next step obviously would be concealer, right? You know, this is the step where it kind of gets cakey anyway, so put this all over the redness in my face. And I definitely need to start talking like this. Now, you know, I actually have a tip for you. What? This bitch got a tip for us? Like she looks ugly AF and she doesn't know what she's doing? But you know, when I put on these camouflage creamy kind of concealer, I only use my hand because as soon as I use a sponge or a brush, it normally just takes off all the product. Also, do you notice that I kind of look a lot into the viewfinder in this video? I'm actually turning into Tanner Mojo, you know what I mean? Not trying to throw shade though. Okay, so what I saw James Charles and all the beauty bloggers do is to use your lightest concealer as a highlight in kind of the middle of your face. So that's what I'm trying to do at this point. Normally I only would put it like under my eyes because I have really dark circles because yeah, bitch, don't sleep. Oh my gosh, this is so much product. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. You know what? I'm sure that I'm not doing this right, actually. Down the nose. James Charles does it down the nose, doesn't he? Yeah, he does. Or doesn't he? I mean, I'm German, but I'm not trying to come for anyone's brand, if you know what I mean. Oh, now I have got concealer on my lash. Perfect. Yes, you're doing great. You're absolutely doing just fine. Oh gosh, it's in my hair. Normally I always see these people trying to follow someone else's makeup tutorial, but I don't even have a tutorial on my laptop right now. I'm just doing this like from memory. Don't know what memory. Oh gosh, this fucking fly, get out of here. This is so annoying. I hope it doesn't mess the audio up. Because I won't film this video again, because like, look at the state of me right now. Way too much product, I'm pretty sure about that. This just looks so wrong. This can't be right. Like, what has my life come to? Okay, I think we're gonna give up on the concealer, highlight, whatever this kind of is part. Actually, you can't see my top lip. Like, this is mad. Ugh. I just tasted it. Why did I do that? Why did I decide to do that? This is so wrong. It doesn't look too bad. I would have expected it to look way more bad. But I also feel like I made myself paler than I already am. So next step on the whole skin kind of area would be the contour, right? Now this is where it gets scary for me personally. I also don't really have the product for contouring, so I have some like dark whatever this is, which we probably could use as a cream contour. Most people would like start out with a powder contour and then go into the cream contour, which is really hard, but that's not how we do it on this channel. I'm gonna use this like right now, exactly. Okay, like where do I even put it? Like under my cheekbones, right? Oh no, this is way too much, isn't it? Oh, gonna take some of that off because otherwise this will just ruin everything. It actually already ruined everything. I look like someone smeared chocolate all over my face. Ugh. Just gonna try to save this situation. I'm actually using a brush. This is how you do it, isn't it? No, that definitely isn't how you do it. What have I done? I just look like I smeared some spray tan over my cheeks, which is not a cute look. This isn't really working out how I expected it to. Actually, this says bronzing powder for darker skin, which I don't have dark skin, and also bronzing powder is maybe with like these kind of glowy bits in it, isn't it? So this is totally the wrong product to use, so we're gonna go with it, you know? I should probably use a powder brush for this one, but that's not what I have to hand, so... Okay, you know, this doesn't look that bad, actually. But I just feel like I can't save this... Oh, fuck, it looks too bad here. What have I done? I saw also, like, Franny Arietta. She puts it on her forehead as well. I don't really have a big forehead, but, you know, if we're gonna do some beauty style, whatever this is, then we're gonna do it the right way. No, we're not gonna do it the right way. Like, look at you right now, Zizi. Oh, I'm just talking to myself. I'm losing my mind over this. I'm stressing out so hard. Ignore my cheeks. It looks okay. It's fine. No, it isn't fine. There's also this thing called nose contour. Yeah, I actually have a small blending brush. I could use that. Okay, now it gets really scary. Fuck. Also on the camera, it actually looks way worse than it looks in real life. So, no, actually no. It looks just as worse in real life. This is so wrong. This can't be right. Yeah, so... I think we're just gonna... You know, I wish I could say we'd skip this step, but we totally didn't skip it. So now we're just gonna ignore my face and move on. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot about the setting powder, like the baking underneath your eyes. Okay, so the camera just ran out of battery. I actually tried to do some setting powder and I got it all over the floor, all over the mirror, all over everything. So that's great. Oh yeah, I wanted to put some setting powder underneath my contour, which I don't really know where that is in my case because my contour is kind of very rare, but we're gonna try. This really looks cakey at this point. Like, can you see this? My skin looks absolutely horrible. I'm just gonna continue on my routine, which actually isn't a routine because I'm doing that for the first time. Eyebrows. Gosh, my hand is so shaky. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. We want them to look even. Although eyebrows aren't twins, they are sisters. This is the same, right? Isn't it? Actually, you know what? Why do we call it eyebrows are sisters when we could just say eyebrows? Like, this is actually a good point.
No! God, please, no! No!
What should we do next? Like eyeshadow? Now I actually got kind of a huge, in my opinion, huge eyeshadow palette right here, which is like from the drugstore. And my mom got it once when she was doing makeup to kids at the kindergarten, so that's all I'm gonna say about that. Like, look at those colors. You know what? I already messed this up horribly, so we're just gonna go for a really straightforward color. Let's go with like blue and lilac. Oh gosh, this is the best decision I ever made in my life. Like, we're not gonna do some crazy cut crease kind of shit, you know? This is just like, I'm not trying to sit here for the rest of the day. So now this is actually kind of a pink shade. Wow, like that's just a skin colored line above my eyelashes. I can't put the eyeshadow down there. I think like most people pull a weird face when doing mascara, don't they? Like that. I just do it all the time. I feel like we should go in with another color. So I've got this kind of blue here, which is probably a bad decision. You know what? That actually isn't that bad of a decision. Yeah, it is. Like, oh my gosh, I look like someone just punched me in the eye. Yeah. Let's not talk about that. What have I done? Oh no. I mean, it could just get better at this point. It's not gonna get worse. So, oh, this is a different color. You know, anyway, we're gonna use that. We should probably do eyeliner. I've never actually done a full wing, which I probably shouldn't, but yeah, you know, if we're gonna do it, we're gonna do it the right way. So I'm gonna do a flippin' wing and I'm gonna fail miserably and you can watch and enjoy. Oh fuck, this is scary. Oh! I just like put it all over my lid. Also, this is brown liner, I just realized. Oh my gosh, I'm trying really hard. Now, how does that look? Yeah, you know what? Don't let me know how that looks. Now it comes for the scary part, which is the actual wing. So you would go like from your nose to the corner of your eye, like this. Or am I just telling lies right here? I probably am, but I'm gonna try to like do a wing. You know what? That actually... Oh yeah, never mind. You know what? This one actually doesn't look too bad. So yeah, this is what the eyes look like. I failed miserably once again. So I'm using this drugstore mascara, which I always use. Like, it literally cost me like €3, I think, but it actually is such a good mascara. Okay, this wouldn't be a beauty tutorial, it definitely isn't, but it wouldn't be a beauty video without showing one thing like in front of the camera like this. So here you can see my ugly hand and also my ugly mascara wand, which isn't even focusing if I do it like that. Focus, bitch! You know what I forgot? I actually forgot to curl my lashes. I'm so dumb. Of course it doesn't work for me. On the other hand, I don't really care at this point because the whole face looks like shit anyway, so what's the mascara gonna change? Like, nothing. So we're nearly done by now. The last thing would be highlighter, wouldn't it? Brush this off real quick so I don't look too cakey. She says, as she actually looks like a mother flippin' cake. So let's do the highlight really quick and then I'm gonna release you from the pain that it was watching this video. Oh no, I actually found an eyeshadow palette that isn't that bad. Damn. Okay, anyway, here we have some highlighting shade. I've got maybe actually too much product on this brush right now, but we're just gonna work with it. Ooh! I'm actually gonna consider like doing this to myself. Like, not the full face, obviously, because look at the state of me, but like the highlighting bits. You know what? I'm actually that big of a fan of it that I'm actually gonna put it on my nose as well. Oh my god! Oh! I'm just gonna put it like everywhere because I think it really saves the look. No, it doesn't. This look is actually horrendous. I think I've done enough to this thing that we normally would call face, but at this point it actually looks just like a mess. Anyway, my hair also is a mess, just like my face. But yeah, if you're still watching this and are literally screaming at your screen because you are so angry at me for doing this, you should definitely let me know by leaving a hate comment down below. But if you liked it, you could also leave a nice comment down below and give me a thumbs up. And while down there, you could also give me a cheeky little subscribe and turn on the notifications, because I'm actually new to the whole YouTube game and it would mean the world to me if you did. Also, I'm normally doing a different style of video, so you won't have to witness me doing that again. But actually, if you want to see me do that again, you could definitely let me know on my other social media accounts, which are Twitter and Instagram. And yeah, thank you for wasting your time with me today. Okay, bye! This is probably the most boring vlog you'll ever watch. Kind of going through a rough time at the moment. And then he was just like, yeah, I don't really get it, and that was it. And that feels horrible to me. I would have never found out what kind of an ignorant asshole he is. And I just can't take it anymore.